In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a Google account or an email account for yourself in 2025. So it's very much simple and easy. I'm going to show you guys how to do this in this tutorial. So now let's get going with the main part of the video. So now hop on your browser like this. If you are using a mobile phone or a PC, just hop on your browser like this. And then you search this Google account. So when you search Google account, just scroll between the search results and then move to this side that's create an account. You can even search create a Google account. So now you tap on this link. So I have this link opened here on this page so you can see. So all you need to do is just create an account for yourself. If you are 18 and above, you can create an account for your business, which is this Google Businesses, and then you can create an account. So here you create an account for your child, which is 18 years below. So let's create a personal account. Good. So all you need to do is just let's enter our name here. I'm Michael. And now let's not add any optional name. Let me just use my first name. I want the procedure to be fast. Let's enter our date of birth. Good. So now let's enter our gender. I'm a male. And now let's proceed. So let's choose a username. So let me do a Mike 2001. It will be taken by all means. Okay, it's not taken. So now let's add a password. So now we confirm the password. Now let's proceed. Good. So we need to add a phone number for verification. So now let's add this number. Now let's proceed. So they're going to send us an SMS, so I have to wait. I'm going to get it here. I'm going to enter it. So it's here. 745373. So now I can proceed. So I can skip that. Okay, so they are saying this is my recovery number. So now let me proceed. Mike 2001 born. Yeah, that's it. So here you accept some privacy and data information. They're talking about your web activity. If you want to save your web searches, you add personalization, your YouTube history. If you want to be saving what you search on YouTube all the time, and you can also check this if you want them to be sending you emails. I'm going to uncheck all of that. Now let me agree. Now I have my Google account here, so I can move to my Gmail by tapping on this, their product, and I move to Gmail. So if you are doing this on a mobile phone, all these are going to sync in a jiffy after creating your account. So now you can move to your drive. Let me tap on this so you can start saving or uploading your files here, your videos, your images for future use, so that if you lose your phone and you log in this Gmail, you're going to find all those images and that. I have a tutorial on Google Drive. I talked about everything about Drive. You can check that on my channel. So that's it on how you can create a Gmail account or a Google account in 2025. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.